Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the case plus SIM tray so you can access screws and seams. This avoids short circuits and hidden fasteners. Use a magnifier to inspect the volume button area for debris, corrosion, or physical damage, because the root cause is usually visible. Once done, organize screws by size and document their locations. This prevents misplacement and reassembly errors. Make sure to work on a non-static surface and keep parts separated for easy reference. You carefully open the chassis using heat for adhesive and a plastic spudger to avoid damage. Controlled heat softens glue so clips release cleanly. Once the back is off, disconnect the battery immediately to prevent shorts while you probe. Then trace the volume flex cable. Check for torn traces, lifted solder joints, liquid residue, or a misaligned button membrane, because these are the most common failure modes. If corrosion exists, gently clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. You repair by replacing the volume flex cable or resoldering a lifted trace. Use flux, a fine tip iron, and steady heat to avoid damage. Once repaired, reseat the rubber membrane and button cap so tactile feel returns. Then reconnect the battery and power on to test volume up/down functionality before sealing the chassis. If the button still fails, consider swapping the entire module or seeking a professional. As a troubleshooting tip, test with a software button, remap to isolate hardware versus firmware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.